Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a great tool that you can use for creating graphic. So let's say that you want to create Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram story, or even your own website. Adobe Spark can all do that, and I'm going to show you how. Also, if you're gonna have any questions, just ask me down below in the comments, and if I know the answer, I'll be really happy to help you. So without further ado, let's start. When you're gonna enter, you have option to create Instagram story, post, and others, or you can just start from the template that you see here. Then when you're gonna scroll down more, you would see your recent projects. But what I really like, what you can do is go to top left, click plus, choose it from here, or view all. When you're gonna view all, then just press all, and now you can really choose what you want to actually create. But what you can do is just like write Instagram here, and you're gonna see like Instagram carousel, charity blog, Instagram ad, and you can really choose what you want. So this is the first way what you can do. Let's go to home, or what you can do is again simply click plus and just press Instagram story. First thing first, what you need to do is to choose a template. So let's say that I'm going to choose a template. Let's say girls support girls. Okay, create from this template. Let's wait until it's going to load. So the first thing, you just need to find a template, Facebook ad, and you're gonna see the Facebook ads here, templates that you can use. First, on the right side, you can change colors. So you can actually switch colors if you want to choose different ones. What you can do is, when I'm going to choose this one, right, I have change color. I can simply change the colors that I want here, or I can shuffle. So that's what you can do, right? So this is how you can change colors in your template or in your graphic. Then you have an option to work with the animation. And now you can create animation. So let's say that you're creating Instagram story, you can have animation there, or if you are creating Facebook ad or Facebook post or something, so you can make it dynamic. Girls support girls, see? And this is what you can do, is to make text animation, or you can make it also like fade, girls support girls. I like this one here. So this is how you can work with animation. You can also work with photo animation. The next thing we're gonna see is background. So with the background, you can create a border, which is also effective. And then you can have like suggested here that you can play around it as much as you want. So that's what you can do. And how you can play around it, or just have it simple or banner. Again, you choose it how much you want, right? But I'm going to leave this one here because I like it. Then what you can do is to resize it. So you can make the social post, and you see that you can create it for Instagram or like Facebook. So even YouTube thumbnail. So you can really play around it as much as you want, and you can even resize the image, or you can enter your own size. Then you can work with the design, and you can have variations here. So that's what you can do, and this is how you can work with the colors, animation, background, resize, and design. Let's go to text. When you're gonna click on a text, you can add your own text, or you can start simply from template that you have here. Or you can, let's say that I'm going to click on a text here, and I can edit that. So what I can do is to add my own text. Girls are girls, whatever, done. And I can edit it, or you can simply edit the girls support girls. So the first thing you can do is to edit the text. Then let's delete this one. You can duplicate the text. Then you can layer order, so you can move up. So right now you see that it's behind, so I can move up, move to top, and as you can see, it's layer up above the woman here. And then you can delete it. When you have the girls support girls. You can simply change the font here, align center. You can make it also curved if you want to. And then you can also increase or decrease spacing and letter spacing. So that's what you can do. Then you can also add a shape there. So let's say that I can add, like, I don't know, green. And then you can edit that. Also, you can change opacity. And one thing I like that you can mask the text. And this is really good. So that's what you can do. And you can also add a shadow and outline. So I'm going to disable shape. I'm going to add outline, and that's what you can do. And of course you can change the size and everything. So this is how you can work with the text. What you can do also is to add a highlight for your text, and you can edit that too. So you can add a main style highlight, and that's how it works. So this is how you can edit the text here. Let's go to photos. In photos, you can find free photos. You can upload a photo. You can use Adobe Stock, Libraries, Lightroom, connect to Dropbox, Google Photos, and Google Drive. Again, find the free photos. I just write here nature. Or you want to write like yoga here. And there is some issue right now. So what I can do is to write in Adobe Stock and write yoga and just like wait until it's going to load. And I have I know this one here. And let's wait until it's going to load. And this is how you can do it. So this is how you can insert the photo, and you can resize it. You can even remove the background. You can add to the background. So that's what you can do, and that's how it works. You can also flip horizontal, vertical, or crop and share, or you can add also filters to your photos. You can also edit the brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. And then you can also blur it if you want to. So that's how you can work with it. How you can work with the images and photos in Adobe. When you got it, the next thing are icons. And with icons, again, you can, I have an arrow here, so I can, let's take this arrow here. I can come and rotate it. I can change it to white, like this. Then I can change the blur, and that's what you can do. And this is how the icons work. So I can even write like smile here. And let's say that I want to add a smile. Again, I change the color to white. And I can just insert it here. So that's how it works. Then you're gonna have like design assets here. And again, you can simply write here element. And you just can find, or let's go nature. Maybe I will find something. Yep, like I have this here element. And again, I just wait until it loads and I can simply use it. Adobe Spark got plenty of elements that you can use. On the right side, again, you can add the filters here and even change things from the element. So that's how you can work with it. And yeah, then you have options to edit backgrounds. So again, I choose this one. And what I can do is to click add to background, and voila, here I got it. So that's what you can do. So I can even choose the premium ones, or like this one here, add to background, and voila. So this is what you can do. And again, you just search the backgrounds for something. Then you got like logos here, and you can work with that too. Or libraries, you can create a library with the photos, icons, etc. that you are design assets that you are using a lot. And you can create a library where you can find everything you need. So this is how we can actually design and how we can work in Adobe Spark. When I'm going to, on the top right, I can download it as an MP4 video. And then also what you can do is to download as a JPEG or PNG, and then just like upload it to social media. So it's like pretty straightforward and pretty easy. So let me show you. Show in folder, my post. I'm going to open it. See? Wonderful. And we have really great, let's go again. Really great graphic. And then also what you can do is to share it, or you can invite someone to your post to edit that too. So that's what you can actually do. Now let's go back and let's create a presentation, a website. Now, how you can create your own website with Adobe? All you have to do is come here to presentation and click on it. And then what you have to do is just press plus here. You can add a photo. So let's say Adobe stock, yoga. And I'm going to search for yoga now. And here the photo is loading right now. I'm going to add a title. This is my yoga site. I can add a subtitle. And now you have options when you're going to scroll down below that you can add a photo, text, button, video, photo grid, split layout. So I can add a split layout. And I can add an image. And then I can add a text here. I can change it to H2, H1. This is description. I can center it to the middle. Again, I'm going to add another text. In this part, I will explain how to build amazing website or how to do great yoga. Okay. Again, center it to the middle. And this is like really great. You can also edit the settings here. You can disable header and footer. And now in this mid, I can also add a button. Contact me here. And then I will just center it like where I want to add it. Alignment, contact me here. So this is what you can do. You're just going to prelink it and contact me here. And this is how you can do it. But it's like really limited what you can do with Adobe Spark. I mean, you can build a great website, but it's like kind of limited of how you can actually build it and what you can do with it. But yeah, you can also add a photo grid here. And you can also add a grid with multiple photos like this. And that's how it is. So this is what you can do with it. Okay. And now save. So we have a grid of photos. We contact me here. And I can click and also add a video here, glide show or split layout. So I will just add a YouTube link from some video that I liked. Let me just get something. Okay, I have it right here. And Alan Watts rare interview. And this is how you can build a website. Then you can preview it, how it's going to actually look like. And voila, here we have it. What you can do also is share the website, publish and share a link, or send to Google Drive. And that's pretty much it. So this is how we can work with web pages. And also what I'm going to show you is how we can create a video. To create a video in Adobe Spark is quite simple. All you have to do is go to top left plus, then click video. Now you can add your own title, but I'm going to skip it. It's not really necessary, but if you want to, you can like yoga video, or let's say gaming video. That's better. Click next. Now I'm going to, you can pick a story template, but I'm going to make up my own. And now let's just wait until it's going to load, and then we will start working on it. Okay, here we got it. So what you can do is to add a video, add a text, photo, icon. So I'm going to add a video first, and I'm going to add a video from a game. This is a really old clip. But I'm going to turn off the volume here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's just choose this one here. I just want to show you how you can use it. All you have to do is click save. So you have to trim it. And then I'm going to save the clip here. It's going to take a little while. Okay, and now when it's loaded, what you can do is I can simply let it play. So this is just like a short clip in gaming. And I can simply click plus here. I can add a text. Epic Ella play, right? I can take it and just simply move it. Like here. Epic Ella play. And you can increase, decrease the size of it. You can change the layout as a split screen or full screen. Then you have like theme here that you can edit. Right? And you can really play around with things as much as you want. So as you can see, you can really edit it. Epic Ella play. So this is pretty much it how we do it. All we have to do is then like download it, or you can again assign it to someone, and then you can pretty much like switch and add more of the parts of the video. And you can just like add simple photo here and create a slide photo, so if you want to. So this is pretty much it how we do it, and how we can work with both Adobe Spark and video and site, and also for a graphic. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.